So I'm going to Asia and I'm so excited. I'm going to Thailand, Bali, I'm going to Hong Kong, and I'm going on my birthday trip. And it's Chinese New Year, so it's going to be so much fun to do all the local celebrations while also celebrating my birthday. I wear show me your muumuu to like everything. So I have dresses like this that are show me your muumuu. I love maxi dresses, obviously. All of these. When you're in different countries and they have all these different outlets, you don't want to bring a ton of converters. So you bring one converter, plug it into the wall, and then you can plug all of your electronics in a power strip. I have this dome that we'll use for underwater GoPro pictures. It's going to be really cool. My swimsuits, I put them in plastic bags, but just so it's organized. So I have like 2 swimsuits per bag. So I recently watched Marie Kondo, The Tidying Up show on Netflix. Now everything's folded so pretty. This has never happened before. I'm obsessed with Lululemon and aloe, so I'm gonna say that's probably most of my pieces. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I had this much muumuu, but most of my pieces are from Show Me Your Muumuu, like this Barbie skirt. It's so cute with the little ruffles. Again, Hong Kong might be colder, so a little sweater. Guess where it's from? Muumuu. We have to get a lot of shots for the hotels and the resorts that we're partnering with. So Daniel and I, if we're both going to be in the shot, have to set up our cameras on a tripod to get the right shot. You have to have makeup removers. I have even a smaller one in my purse for when I'm traveling because you want to keep your skin fresh. SPF 100 all day, every day. To still have a tan, I use Bondi Sands. I love them. I'm currently using this one, the light medium, because I'm so pale because it's winter in the US. Hopefully while I'm out there, I'll get built up to using the dark. So we'll see. I'm bringing both with me. A little bit of hairspray. I love Big Sexy Hair. I use their hairspray and their dry shampoo. Like, I swear by it. It's so good. This is my night cream. It's Confidence in a Cream by IT Cosmetics. I love their night cream. If anybody knows about skincare, zinc is so important. It's just extra protection for your face. So I put zinc all over my face to protect my skin. You want to stay looking young and healthy, so that's very important. Chucks, like you can't go wrong with a pair of Chucks. You can wear them with absolutely every outfit. Dresses, jeans, shorts, everything. I'm so excited about this travel outfit that I just got from Aloe. I'm gonna be that girl in the airport that's dressed head to toe in one color, but oh my gosh, this is like a cozy cashmere sweater. It's gonna be so comfortable for my 15-hour flight. If you're going to Bali, there's this thing called Bali belly. That's what they call it, and you could get sick, like really sick. So activated charcoal is essential. I brought a whole brand new bottle just in case. I'm gonna take a little bit every day, and it kind of detoxes you. Tylenol, we're traveling, could get a headache, I don't know. And then vitamin C, tons of vitamin C, emergency, just take it everywhere you go. Jet lag is real. So I have tons of chewy melatonin. So hopefully I'll be sleeping through the night. Fingers crossed. And then just again for upset tummies, Pepto-Bismol too. You really have to be prepared when you're traveling to a country that you've never been to before to take care of your body. Super important. A little bit of everything in there. I still have to put my passport in, but good to have money, business cards, credit cards. It's my carry-all, so all my essentials, fuzzy socks, you need that when you're traveling a long time. Wine wipes, I will be having wine while I'm traveling, so don't want to have purple teeth. This is essential. It's my Summer Fridays jet lag mask. Oh my gosh, is this pony that just came on? Oh yeah, you get a little bit of everything when you're having music and you're packing and all that, but this is so good for when your skin gets dry in the airplane. You put your moisturizing Summer Fridays mask on. It's perfect. So I don't know if all these clothes are going to fit, but I want to bring them all. So we will see. Let's see. Oh boy. Totally good to go. So the reason I want to make sure this closes without the extender is because I know I'm going to be shopping when I'm there. So I want to have room, at least a little bit, to bring things back. So if I can close it now without the extender, I can pack in a few more things with the extender when I come home. Thanks guys for hanging out with me and seeing everything that I'm packing for my trip to Asia, but I have to go. So you have to go. Come on.